Hi, so today what we're going to be doing is taking you through the process of how to take a PDF that's just been scanned from a copier and turning it into a more accessible document for students who use screen readers. So what we have here is a document that has just been scanned by a copier and nothing else has been done to it. And the very first step is to take it through the OCR process so that the document has recognizable words that can be accessed by a screen reader. Now, if you are getting your documents from the library or from a database online, there's a good chance that that document is already accessible and you wouldn't need to take it through that process. One easy way to check that is by opening it in something like Preview on a Mac or Adobe Acrobat. Acrobat is the tool that we'll be able to use to remediate this document, so that's what I'm going to recommend. I am going to try using the underline tool right here, so I'm going to select that. If this were an accessible document, I would be able to underline words and it would actually recognize them, it would highlight them, and then a line would appear under that. Now, we automatically get a pop-up with this document that says, this page contains only an image. Would you like to run text recognition in order to make the text on this page accessible? Now, the easiest thing to do would just be to say yes. I'm going to say no because I want to show you how to access these tools in case you know that a document isn't accessible and you don't want to go through that process. So we're going to go up to the upper left corner right here, and we're going to look for Scan and OCR. So click on that, and we have all sorts of options for modifying this file, but all we really need to do is click on Enhanced Scanned File. So we select that. You can choose to do the whole document, the current page, or to give it a page range. I'm just going to say all pages. Make sure that this box that says Recognize Text is checked. That is the point of what we're doing. We want recognizable text. So next I'll just click this Enhance button, and you can see down there in the right hand corner we see Acrobat at work. So it's just going through and optimizing and trying to recognize all of the text. Now, one of the things that doesn't happen is it's not going to add any metadata to your images. If you want this text to be fully accessible, you need to do that yourself, and that's a different process. But what we're focusing on in this video is just getting recognizable text. So now that it's been scanned, once again, I'm going to select that underline tool and let's underline. You can already see that blue is being highlighted. When I let go, you can see that faint blue underline. So this is now a text that would be readable by an e-reader. And that's all there is to it.